So here in transfer magnetic mode. So our intention is, so we need to find out the expression for Ez. So from this wave equation, so already we know this. So this is, so dou square x square by Ez and dou square Ez by dou y square plus dou square Ez by h square Ez is equal to 0. This is from the wave equation. So this we can evaluate. So by using the variables and separation method, following the above equation. So let us take Ez is equal to x into y. Please start writing. So Ez is equal to xy, where x is a function of only x and y is function of only y. So where x is function of x only and y is function of y only. So then now we can see. So I want to derivate this. So dou square Ez by, in terms of x, I am going to derivate. So dou square Ez by dou x square. So this equation, so I am going to derivate in terms of x. In terms of x. So dou square Ez by dou x square is equal to, so what is Ez here? Ez is equal to xy. So I am substituting xy here. So dou square of xy by dou x square. So here I told, so x is a function of only small x only. So that y is constant. So y into dou square of x by dou x square. Dou square of x by dou x square. So in the same way, I am going to derive it with the y. So small y. So dou square Ez by dou y square is equal to, where Ez is equal to x into y. So here y is, so only in terms of small y only, so where x is constant, x into dou square of y by dou y square. Dou square of y by dou y square. Now this is, so dou square Ez by dou x square is equal to y into dou square of x by dou x square. And dou square Ez by dou y square is equal to x into dou square of y by dou y square. Right? So substitute these two equations in the first equation. So substitute here. So in place of this dou square Ez by dou x square, you substitute. So y into dou square of x by dou x square, y into dou square of x by dou x square. So in place of this, so dou square Ez by dou y square, so we can put, so x into dou square of y by dou y square. X into dou square of y by dou y square plus h square. So where Ez is equal to xy. Where Ez is equal to xy. Substitute. So these things in the first equation. Right? So now we have to divide entire equation with, so x by x into y. So divide entire equation with xy right here. So by dividing, so entire equation with xy. So now here y by xy, that is 1 by x. So here x by xy, that is 1 by y, plus h square is equal to 0. Are you following? 96?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please note down this one. So now the equation becomes, so 1 by x into dou square of x by dou x square plus 1 by y into dou square of y by dou y square. This is dou y square. This is dou y square plus h square is equal to 0. This is y. So dou y square. Right? So now let us take, so 1 by x, dou square x by dou x square is equal to minus b square. Now, so 1 by x, dou square x by dou x square is equal to minus b square, and 1 by y, So 1 by y. So dou y square. This is already told, no? This is y square. So 1 by y into dou square y by, so dou y square is equal to minus a square. Now substitute these two things in this above equation. So in place of this, I am writing minus a square. In place of this, I am writing minus b square plus h square is equal to 0. This you can rewrite like h square is equal to a square plus b square. So h square is equal to a square plus b square. So are you clear up to this point? 441. 441. 441. Four C naught.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
H square is h square is equal to so a square plus b square, right? So then to solve off above equation, then you can write so x component and y component. So x is equal to so c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. So y is equal to c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. So we can write for solution for these equations. So x and y, you have two terms x and y. So x you can express in terms of so c1 cos of bx plus c2 sin bx, and y is equal to c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. Okay. So where c1, c2, c3, c4 are constant, which can be evaluated by applying boundary conditions. Can be evaluated by applying boundary conditions. So now already we know, so Ez is equal to x into y. Already we assume that Ez is equal to x into y. So then write, so this x and y substitute in this equation. So in place of x, you can write, so c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. So c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. So in place of y, you can write, so c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. 4m3.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing the things?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Right. So now, so this Ez you can write. So c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx plus so c3. So y is nothing but c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. So to find out these constants, we need to apply the boundary conditions. We need to apply the boundary conditions. So already I told last class. So for TM mode, so we are going to evaluate the Ez components. So Ez component. So here this Ez component is 0. So in the walls of x and y. That means, so Ez is equal to 0. So this Ez is 0. So this Ez is 0 at the walls. This is 0 at the walls means, so at this point, that means at x is equal to, sorry, at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. These points also Ez is 0, and here also Ez is 0, and here also Ez is 0. That means, so here at y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, this point. So here this is y is equal to b. Y is equal to b. So where here is x is equal to A. So why x is equal to A here? So the width of the waveguide is A. The height of the waveguide is B. So this is the length. So x direction is width. The y direction is height. So z direction is length direction. So where the wave will propagate along the z direction. So the wave is propagated along the z direction like this. The wave is along the z direction. So in the walls of the waveguide, so the Cz component is 0. That means at x is equal to 0, this x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. We have Ez is equal to 0. At this boundaries also, at y is equal to b, here also Ez is 0. At x is equal to a, this point also, so Ez is equal to 0. So by using these 4 boundary conditions, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so y is equal to b, x is equal to a. So by using these 4 boundary conditions, we are going to evaluate the C1 component, C1, C2, C3, and C4. So that is the concept. Okay, right? Now you can see first boundary condition. First boundary condition. Please put then. So first boundary condition at Ez is 0 for y is equal to 0. Here, this point. This point at y is equal to 0, and here also this walls also 0. That means so x is in between, so 0 and y. You can write only this is enough. First boundary condition at y is equal to 0, so Ez is equal to 0. Now substitute so these things in this equation. In this equation, you substitute so y is equal to 0. So at y is equal to 0, Ez is 0. So I am putting Ez is 0 here. So C1 cos bx, there is no y component here, plus C2 sin bx, because there is no y component. Now here you have the y component. So C3, so y is equal to 0 na? So this y is equal to 0 means, so cos 0. So cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So this means, so this becomes 1. So this becomes 1, we can write. So here C3 plus, so what happened about this? So y is equal to 0 means, so sin 0 is 0. So sin 0 is 0 means, so this term is 0. Now we have only C3. We have only C3. Now 0 is equal to, so C1 cos bx plus C2 sin bx into C3. 470. 470. 470. M7?
Yes, sir.
Are you following the things?
Yes.
Right. Now you can put, so now 0 is equal to this above equation. This equation becomes like this. So 0 is equal to C1 cos bx plus C2 sin bx into C3. So C4 goes to 0 here. So now we can see here. So this is x is a time varying component. So this product is 0. So this is non-zero value. This is non-zero. This is non-zero. This is non-zero. So but the product is 0. That means so automatically C3 is equal to 0. So this C1 cos bx plus C2 sin bx is a non-zero value. But the product is 0. But the product is 0. That means when the product is 0, if C3 is 0, then only this product is 0. Now we can write, so C3 is equal to 0. So now C3 is equal to 0. Now substitute the C3 value in this equation. Substitute C3 value in this equation. That means, so this term becomes 0. Now we can rewrite this equation. Now our Ez is equal to, now see, so C1 cos bx plus C2 sin bx. Now there is no C3 component. Why? So due to first boundary condition, so C3 is equal to 0. So that's why, so C3 is eliminated. So now we have only, so 3 components. So C1 cos bx, C2 sin bx plus C4 sin ay. C4 sin a. That means, so due to first boundary condition, so that what is the first boundary condition? For y is equal to 0, that Ez is 0. So due to first boundary condition, so we can get so C3 is equal to 0. So by substituting that, so we can eliminate one thing. Now our equation becomes, so Ez is equal to, so C1 cos Bx plus C2 sin Bx. So C4 sin Ay. E4.
Sir.
Is it okay up to this point?
Sir, okay.
Now Ez is equal to, now have only, so 3 components we have to find out. Already we got, so C3 is equal to 0. So due to first boundary condition. So C3 is 0 due to first boundary condition. Right. So now what is second boundary condition? Now second boundary condition. So x is equal to 0. For x is equal to 0, also Ez is equal to 0. Already I told. So Ez is 0 for x is equal to 0. So this condition, now substitute these things in the above equation. So this is 0. This is then right. So this is 0. Is 0. So this is, so 0 is equal to, substitute these things in the above equation. So x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means, so what about this? The cos 0 is 1. This is 1. Now we can have C1 plus, so x is equal to 0. This is 0. So x0 means, what about sin 0? So sin 0 is 0. That means, so this term is not there. So C3 is not there. Now, so C4, it is in terms of y only. So we are not substituting here. Now C4 is into sin AY. So C4 sin AY. So this is 1. This is 0. Why? Because, so sin 0 is 0. So CT is not there. Now we have only, so 0 is equal to C1, C4 sin AY. C1, C4 sin AY. Now this is, so y is a time varying component. So this is a, so time varying component. So but here, so this product is 0. This is non-zero. This is a non-zero. This is non-zero, but the product is 0. So that means when its product is 0, the C1 should be 0. Then only, so the product is 0. Now we can write, so C1 is equal to 0. So due to second boundary condition, so we are going to have our C1 is equal to 0. We are getting, so C1 is equal to 0. Now substitute in this equation, so C1 is equal to 0. Now, so this becomes, this is vanished, and we have only these two terms. We have only these two terms. Now Ez is equal to, so sin, so C2 sin Bx and C4 sin AY. D7. D7.
Yes, sir.
Very clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. 470. 470 and 41. Are you there in the meeting? I will mark option for you people. So now, so to first boundary condition, so C3 is 0. For second boundary condition, so C1 is 0. Now substitute. So in this equation, so now we can have our Ez is equal to, now this our Ez is equal to C2 sin Bx, C4 sin AY. We have only sin components. So the cos components go to 0. So now I have only, so C2, C4. So C2 sin Bx, so C4 sin AY. L7.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now Ez is equal to, so we have only sin terms here. So C2 sin Bx, so C4 sin AY. So this is very, very important. Definite question. Either TM mode or TE mode. Okay, please be careful. Listen carefully. Right? So now A2. Who is A2? Not there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is third boundary condition?
EZ
So,
equal to 0.
when Z is equal to 0, what are the 4 boundary conditions?
At y equal to b.
Another one? Huh?
Sir.
What is another boundary condition? We have 4 boundary conditions, no?
X
Tell
equal
me.
to x equal to a.
Ma?
X equal to a.
Very good. X is equal to A. So X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, Y is equal to B. So these 4 boundaries. And X is equal to A. Now third boundary condition. So we are having, so X is equal to 0 for, Ez is equal to 0 for, Y is equal to B. Now substitute in the above equation. So Y is equal to B. So this is the X fixed, you can write. So C2, C4, so sin BX, so sin AB. In place of Y, so you can write B, sin AB. So Ez is equal to 0. So now, so these two are non-zero. So C2 is non-zero. So C4 is non-zero. So sin BX is a time varying. This is also non-zero, but this product is 0. So here, so these all are non-zero values. These are all are non-zero. These all are non-zero. So, but the product is 0. So when the product is 0 now sin AB is equal to 0, then only the product is 0. So when sin is 0, just in general you can write, so AB is equal to n pi. AB is equal to n pi. So sin 0 or n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, like that. Sin s minus pi, like that. So now you can write, so from this, in general, so AB is equal to n into pi, then only, so this sin is equal to, sin of AB is equal to 0. So from this you can write A is equal to n pi by B. A is equal to n pi by B. Right? So now you substitute these things in the above equation. Now you can substitute. Now Ez becomes, so this Ez is equal to now, so C2, so C4, so sin Bx, sin n pi by B into Y. So in place of A, so we are writing, so n pi by B. So sin n pi by B into Y. So this is the equation after applying the third boundary condition. This is equation after applying the third boundary condition. Now 44.
Sir,
Tell me what is the fourth boundary condition?
Ez is equal to 0.
When
X is equal to A.
Ez is equal to 0 for X is equal to A. Right. Now, so Ez is equal to 0 for X is equal to A. So substitute, so these things into the above equation. These things into the above equation. Now, so Ez is equal to 0. So C2, C4. So in place of X, so you can put A. So sin BA, that into sin, so n pi by B into Y. So now see here, so due to earlier cases, so C2 is non-zero, C4 is non-zero. So sin, this also time varying, this also non-zero. So C2 is not equal to 0, C4 not is equal to 0. So sin of n pi by B into Y is also not is equal to 0. But the product is 0. That means, so this should be 0. So for that, so sin of BA is equal to 0. Sin of BA is equal to 0. Right? So what a general thing you can write here? So here put M. Don't write N here. You can write here M into Y. Already using N in previous case. That's why you can use only M here. This is M. M pi by A. right? So now B is equal to m pi by one constant.